open up everywhere. Look, I have 2 windows here, so I have to open up everywhere. You understand? Open up everywhere for the whole light. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be talking about how to start your first video on YouTube. Yeah, how to start uploading videos on YouTube from scratch in 2020. So if you're interested in this topic, and on my channel I talk about making money, how to make money, I talk about my faith, and I do a lot of lifestyle vlog, and I also share tips on YouTube. Yeah, the mistake I've made starting YouTube, and what I've adjusted, what I've learned basically in this journey. So I share it on my YouTube. So once in a month, or at times twice, at times once in 2 months, I upload video related to YouTube, so my fellow upcoming YouTuber can also learn from that video. So in today's video, yeah, so get your pen, get your paper, get whatever you are with, and let's get over to this video. So if you're watching this video, that means you're doing your research. Yeah, the first thing, before I started my YouTube channel, I did my research, how to start, what I didn't even know what thumbnail was. I didn't just know anything, but I was just eager to start putting content. I would just add this thing in my spirit. I just felt, oh, I have the ability to do this. Uche, you can do this. So, and if you're watching me, that means you are doing your research, and you saw this video and you clicked because you're interested. So do your research, know the kind of topic. Before now, you know the topic you want to put out there. Making your first video, the first one is always very difficult. Yeah, my first video wasn't even an intro video. I made a video of, because that was the passion that was burning in me, how to make money in Nigeria. That was my very first video, and the audio and the video did not, your intro, yeah, making 2-3 minutes intro, and the highest, the quickest video to make is actually introducing yourself, where you're from. Oh, my name is Nwezi. I'm vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigerian. I'll start making this is my intro video on YouTube. So I want to start uploading content related to beauty, related to lifestyle, related to this, that, etc, etc. I think that's the easiest video to start with. Yeah, so if you're contemplating the first videos to start with a get to know me or an intro video, though I didn't start with that. It was even later I did my get to know me, but I think that is the first and the quickest video. If you get to know me questions from Google, so Google it, you have some questions and you read it out. And if you're vlogging with your phone, of course, a lot of people started with their phone. Yeah, I'm going to tell you I started vlogging with my phone. So if you're vlogging with your phone, definitely you can write it down and just read it out whilst your camera, you're using your phone to camera yourself. Yeah, so I find it difficult to just sit on the front of camera to talk. Yeah, you can do practice. You can practice with a mirror in your house. Yeah, practice. And you know, a lot of people have a lot of habits. Like me, I talk so much with my hands. Like I have this hands movement. If you notice, I'm just trying to cut it down. My other video, I talk so much, my hands are just all over the place. Some of us also have a bit of scratching your hair when you're making video, or touching your nose, or just doing something. You know, you can actually be able to picture that when you are seeing yourself in the mirror. So that's the first thing to do. Try and talk to the mirror, talk to yourself, and talk. Another thing I'm going to point out is, if you're using your phone to film, yeah, I know most times you're tempted to use our front camera. I actually use my front camera a lot, but I made a lot of mistake. I made a lot of mistake when I was coming up. I was busy looking at myself instead of looking this is looking at myself right now. I'm looking at myself right now, and that's my camera. Then this is looking at the camera. Yeah, I'm looking at you guys now. You can see me, like it's like I'm literally talking to you directly, eyeball to eyeball. You understand? So that was the mistake I made when I started posting content, because I used my front camera and I was using this. Yeah, I'm going to show you how I started. Yeah, this was the phone I was using, and this is the selfie stick I was using. The selfie stick can go all the way, you know, you understand. So I was busy, instead of looking at this camera, you know, I was busy looking at myself. And you know, when you use your front camera, you're just tempted to look at yourself. You can't just up it. Yeah, it's happening to me in this Canon because I've already mastered looking at the camera. The person that told me about the camera stuff was actually Millicent Zenda. Yeah, she's a Nigerian YouTuber based in California. Yeah, I'm going to leave her name in the screen. Shout out to her. Amazing, beautiful woman. She was the one that told me, hey, on Instagram, Uche, you kept looking at yourself instead of looking at the camera. A whole lot of us, I watch a lot of YouTubers, even small, big, medium, however, they still make that mistake. So me, I consciously start working on it, looking at the camera instead of looking at yourself. Please, let's try and cultivate that habit. Yeah. Then if you know you can't help it, the temptation is just too much, then use the back camera. Yeah, use the back camera. Or you can ask someone to sit down whilst you hang your camera and you know, adjust it very well before you sit down to start making your video. You understand? So let's not just make this is the mistake that most of us make. So this is for you guys that want to start your YouTube channel in 2020. Don't make this mistake. This was the mistake I made when I was starting. Yeah, the next on my list is making yourself look presentable. I mentioned that countless times on my video. Yeah, I know we must not look beautiful, all made up, all beautiful always. Yeah, but you are trying to impress people. The first impression people see, the first thing people see watching your channel is yourself, your personality. How do you look? Do you look good? Do you look presentable? Is your hair okay? Is your face okay? You're trying to buy people's hearts here. So, and you're starting off, you have a lot of people here that are still struggling with subscribers too, and you're coming to join. So you need to at least stand out, look good, look presentable, look beautiful. Yeah, you might have a good face, but apply little powder on it, put on your wet lips. You're starting, yeah, just look presentable for the camera before sitting down. Dress well, dress good, and sit down and talk. Yeah, guys, you know, most times you think for some big YouTubers everything is just perfect, you know. Yeah, they have a camera, they have, see, we still struggle. If I tell you right now I'm filming, I'm not filming with my tripod, I'm filming, I'm going to show you everything, how my setup is right now with my phone. So the next okay, after I finish what I'm saying, I'm going to insert the clip of the image, like where I'm sitting talking to you guys right now. Yeah, so basically most times you want to film with your phone. So what you do is, like I told you, always use your back camera. Yeah, you'll be tempted to look at yourself when you're using the front camera. So get a mirror and the camera this way, you know, and then try and get a mirror to put in front, so you can, if there's no one living with you or you're living alone, so there's no one to sit and adjust the camera with you, then get a mirror, a big mirror, so you can be seeing the adjustments. Then sit down and face. Right now I'm using natural light. You guys, natural light is big. You know, most times you want to start YouTube, oh, you need to get a microphone, you need to get a tripod, you need to get this one, you need to get it. I started with just my phone. I didn't even have a tripod. What's it called, selfie stick. When I started my YouTube, I was vlogging with my hands. Most times my hands would pain me. If I'm doing a sit down video, I had to hang it somewhere in the window without a tripod. You understand? So kill those excuses. You know, kill the, I wish I can post, I wish I documented how I started, like I hang my phone and all those things. I can even redo it. You understand? So don't skip those excuses and just get started immediately. This is currently the setup I'm using to film. Yeah, this is my small, this is the setup. This is where I'm filming with right now, and this is just the window. Yeah, I know the lightning will be too much. This is the window. I have to open up everywhere. Look, I have two windows here. All the lightning in the world. So it seems I don't, as you can see, no ring light, no nothing, no ring light, no nothing. You don't have any excuse whatsoever. So this is me encouraging you. If you're out there, you want to start your YouTube channel, and you know you have passion for this, and you know you can undo it. Let's forget the struggle. Yeah, maybe next video I'm going to talk about the struggle and how to overcome those struggles. Yeah, today I'm talking about when you want to get started immediately. Yeah, what if the likes of Dima, Umesi, and me, Dina, Kwe, Mendel, KK, all of them did not start their YouTube channel did not just, let me even start with my phone. Most all of them started with their phone, and look at where they are today, doing so well. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up to this video, subscribe, and do everything lovable on this channel. If you learned something from this video, if you're a new upcoming content creator and you want me to shout you out, check up your video, please leave it in the comment section. Let me check you out and support you, you know, in my own little way. Till I come your way next time, remember your girl, your baby. I remember your baby girl. Let me flaunt my hair. I remember your girl Uche Nwezi, vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. God bless you real good.